Unala wamathole funerals ugeqa amagula ngama-cost omngcwabo kaStebi uthi uma kungathi uyakhokhelwa impela ngeke ize ibe less than 1.7 million wamarandi. Sibi kakhulu isimo kuma-illegal foreigners axoshwe kuleli emazweni awo aphenduka amaphara, kodwa noma kunjalo asiwafuni. From filing returns to tax planning, NXK Business Accountant and International Audit is there for you.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele sinamukele endabeni ze-SA News no-TK Zuma. Sanibonani. Unala wamathole funerals ugeqa amagula ngama-cost omngcwabo kaStebi uthi uma kungathiwa uyakhokhelwa there is no way angakhokhelwa imali engaphansi kwa-1.7 million wamarandi. Lokhu unala ukusho kwizwi lomzansi lapho uyazi kale ngilongisho lento ubheke nje ilokhuzana izinga lomngcwabo kaStebi ukuthi ubungakanani. That was a state funeral phela. Abantu balokhu hey mina lo 200,000 wama artist oqoqwa ama artist ushone phi kanjani nilibonile kodwa izinga lomngcwabo. Nilibonile yini izinga lomngcwabo ngoba nomndeni uhaze washo umndeni wathi thina besinawo amandla okungcwaba uStebi Dlamini but amandla okungcwaba inkosi yamagqwama besingeke size sibe nawo. Vele lapha bekudingeka abantu abanjenganonala nabo olokhuzana ompungose benolokhuzana namanye ama-artist ukuthi bahole lo mkhankaso ukuthi ama-artist adonate ukuze bahlangabeze unala. Isimbuli leyo nto leyo. Angazi mina ukuthi ikuphi inkinga ukuthi ubuwere obani. Umngcwabo kade ngikhuluma ngomngcwabo mina owatrend ungakaqali usahlelwa. Watrenda ngisho usuphelile. Watrenda wagqiba ama-Summer Awards, ama-Summer wonke South African Music Awards. Wagqiba yonke into. Hey uyazi ngisho umngcwabo kaMbalula noRamaphosa awuzange uzofike kulela zinga leliyana. Basaphila konje yazi mina nje emqondweni wami kahle nje bayifela lapho lekhe ngiyaka ANC yonke nje kade yafa Sixolise nantu udaba
lesa sinuke ipholisa ngayo uma ungathi angithi mangubheka busothi ngawusho sure ukuthi mathonya ngiyakhokhela ngengikhokhele more than 1.7 million mase kuthiwe ngiyakhokhela kuthiwa ngithi angwenze lo msebenzi because khumbula besingabantu abawu2 and khumbula uma uzolanda i-team yosebenza abantu bangabuka amathende semile. One, kufanele kube ne-transport yonke le equipment ebigcwele eMsinga iye lapha. Kufanele babhukhele indawo yokulala eMsinga. Abantu kufanele babhukhele from ngolosithathu noma ngolosibili. Bahlala eMsinga from ngolosibili baze babuye ngolosibili evini.
Konke lokho bekungena kunini.
Sibi kakhulu isimo kuma-illegal foreigners axoshwe kuleli emazweni awo amanye aphenduka amaphara ahlala phansi kwamabhriji. Kodwa noma kunjalo abahambe bangaphindi babuye asibadingi. Uyazi ungayibona into lapha ungayibona into lapha yani angihleki inkosi yami akuhlekwe endabeni kodwa ungayibona into lapha bahlala phansi kwebridge. Tell me how dangerous that is. Phansi kwebridge kukhona na kutetwe nanengane kuyanekwa imigaqo yakhona ngathi abantu lokho akube uphawu lokuthi abahambe bayolungisa amazwe abo. Sikhathele thina ama-Africans escape amangafuni ukuhlala emakubo amakubo ahlale engalungi. Thina yabona njengoba sila eSouth Africa sihlezi simasha every day. Let's alone indaba yama-illegal foreigners sihlezi simashela ugezi i-service delivery nayo kulokhuza ukholda ama-politicians accountable. Yonke into senza sure ukuthi thina siyayilwela la ezweni lethu. Yingakho i-infrastructure yethu ihleleke kanje compared with amanye amazwe. Asiphumi thina sihambe siye kwamanye amazwe sibalekele usizi lwasekhaya. Sihlala la ekhaya silungise izinkinga zasekhaya. Uma uzobalekela ikini ubani ozosala alungisa ikini? Ingakho befike beba amaphara nje lapha. Still abafuni hey ukuthi iyangidina kanjani lento. Sixolise. From filing returns to tax planning, NXK Business Accountant and International Audit is there for you.
Hi people. We are from NXK Business Accountants and Internal Auditors. We offer a full range of accounting services to support your business at every stage, even individuals also. We help with your sales matters, your tax services, your accounting services, company registration, business advisory and strategy, internal auditing, and business intelligence reporting and dashboards. So we go from filing returns to tax planning. We also help you stay compliant while minimizing tax liabilities. These are our contact details. We are available on phone and WhatsApp if you want to. The 03 number 3392-658 and 079-420-7180. This is our email, staff@nstaccountants.co.za. The address is 955 Marine Drive, Ramsgate in Margate in KZN. And we've got a company website where you can go look up our services and leave us reviews after getting our service.